day to you, investors all over the world. Today, I have this great and juicy offer for you. And before I go on with the detailed prescriptions about this particular property, I would like to share some of the things with you. This particular road that we see is a postal road. And this is a road that links to Eleko. So presently where we are is about 2-minute drive from this particular place that is called Ibeju. This is Ibeju Primary School, and this is Ibeju. So it is a boundary between Ibeju and Ibeju. And this property faces this road and also down to the Atlantic Ocean. The road you are seeing is well linked, that links towards the Atlantic. The Atlantic Ocean is what you are seeing from afar. So in here we have 14 plots of land. Please come, let me show you so that you can have a view of what we're talking about. We have 14 plots of land that is available for sale. We've actually sold some of the land, so we are having just 14 plots that is available for a wise investor. We can sell in pieces and we can sell outrightly. The place is free and it has been fenced. And you can see the topography that it is dry, and it is presently going for 14 million naira per plot. So if you are interested in this kind of great offer, please reach out to us at Oshiyemu. Once again, my name remains Oluwatobifagbamiye. What I do is to bring to you juicy and great real estate offer. Reach out to us at Oshiyemu, or you call on our line 09013294697. I repeat again, 09013294697. Thank you very much.